welcome back, and today we're going to do something very different from what we usually do, that's the hairstyle. So we're going to talk about how to stop having hair fall and the 5 things that you definitely must know so that you can do that. And before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed me yet, then you really need to do by clicking on the subscribe button down below, and a highest welcome to my family. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you stay updated every time I post a video. And now let's cruise in today's video. The first thing that is going to help you to solve your hair problem is your comb. I've stressed upon it several times that you should always use a comb which is having wide teeth, because that way you will be breaking less of your hair. But instead, if you use a comb that has too many teeth or that is very closely spaced, then your hair will break a lot, and that is something that you don't want. Some people use these kind of combs, that is the brushes, and again they are not very good. So therefore, if you're going to market to buy a comb, just remember it should be wide teeth, because that way you'll be breaking less of your hair, and that's the first step. Moving on to step number 2. So I have prepared a mask and I've myself tried it, and I think this is one of the most effective masks because I have dry and frizzy hair, and at times my hair becomes so they're rebellious and I cannot actually control them, and I bet you guys have the same issue. So the mask is really simple. It's the banana hair mask. What you have to do is you have to take one ripe banana, and I bet every one of us have that one ripe banana that we do not want to eat, so just use it. And then we're going to use almond oil and lastly the honey. So you need 3 ingredients and you have to mix them all and apply it onto hair not more than 25 minutes and take a shower, and there you go. So this mask is really nice because it has moisturizing properties, plus it makes your hair silky and smooth, which means you're not going to have dry, brittle, frizzy hair, which ultimately leads to hair fall. So this hair mask is really working, and when I tried it, I was like so happy because the results were instantaneous, and every one of us wants instantaneous results. So this mask is super great. Now moving on to our step number 3, that is that you do not have to wash your hair with hot water. So you would be asking that why are we supposed to do that? The reason is really simple. When you wash your hair with hot water, it opens up your cuticles, and therefore your hair becomes weak and it becomes more prone to hair fall. Plus, when you go out, it becomes more receptive to dirt and gunk. Therefore, it's better you wash your hair with cold water. So next time when you go for a shower, make sure you're washing your hair with cold water. Plus, an additional tip, when you are done with your shower, just take your drinking water and instead of drinking, just pour on your hair, because that way you will be giving some good minerals to your hair. And for tip number 4, it's again one of the most common tips, and most of us tend to forget it, that is drinking water. You are supposed to drink at least 6 glasses of water every single day, and if you're not able to do that, maintain a bottle. So I just keep a bottle like this so that I can keep track of how much water I have been drinking all throughout the day, and if I'm able to finish this entire bottle, that means I've actually had a lot of good water today. So just do that, because drinking water actually nourishes and moisturizes your skin and your hair, so it's a double gain. So just make sure you're drinking a lot of water. Here I am at the last tip of today's video, and that is how you style your hair. So if you're one of those people who style regularly, first thing, stop doing that, because applying heat every damn day is not good for your hair. Second thing, if you don't have a heat protector over that, that's again very harmful. So just go to the market right now and buy yourself a heat protector, and if you are out of options, then I'm going to leave a link today down in my video so that you're able to see that which are the best heat protectors available in the market, and just serve your hair. And the last thing is, do not keep your hair open much, because that way you're actually making your hair prone to more dirt and more tangles. So it's better you go for braids, or you go for ponytails, or you go for buns. This is the best way you protect your hair from outside dirt and that frizz that comes to you. So next time you're trying to keep your hair open, just switch over to a braid. And this is all what I have to say for the 5 things you must know so that your hair doesn't fall too much. And I hope you guys would have enjoyed it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave your comments down below as to what you want me to do next. I love your comment, guys. And as always, do not forget to subscribe me and turn on the notification bell, please. And I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy.